Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Genshin Impact gameplay test on the Oneplus Nord 2 device for testing the temperature test. Yes friends, I'll be playing only for 15 minutes of time. That's it. Only 15 minutes I'll try to play, and during this time 15 minutes I'll try to concentrate on the temperatures. How much the maximum the temperature can actually increase in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So that is what my main focus will be there during this process of demonstration. I'll try to show you even the real-time FPS meter, how much I was able to get it. Right now the battery percentage is of 100%, as you can see friends, exactly during the process of demonstration 100%. That's perfect. And let's use the high performance mode as well, because that is another thing which has been requested by plenty of subscribers, asking me to use the high performance mode. As you can see, high performance mode is also turned on. Right now the brightness I did set up to 70% of the brightness, as you can see exactly. Let me try to open the Genshin Impact game. So it should be the game, yep. And let's check the temperatures right now. And battery percentage is of 100%. So this can be also battery draining test video as well friends. So combination of eating test and the battery draining test. Right now it's of 33 degrees, as you can see right now. It's pretty normal in the beginning, 33 degrees, and my room temperature is 30 degrees. So let's see how quicker the phone temperature will increase when you're trying to play the Genshin Impact game. So during this time, let's even focus on the real-time FPS meter. So this is the test which I'm trying to do using the high performance mode and playing the Genshin Impact game. So to see the results of the temperatures mainly. So just concentrate on the temperatures friends, because there is another thing a lot of users are actually worrying about this phone. So regarding the temperatures, so what is the maximum temperature the phone can actually reach? So I'll be keep on checking the temperatures meanwhile during this. Right now it did reach up to 35 degrees as well, somewhere around there. 35.2, as you can see. Within just 1 minute of time it increased by 2 degrees during this time of demonstration. Not bad. So let's. Right now I'm getting about FPS close to 50 FPS if you're trying to use the high performance mode. As you can see the difference using the high performance mode, how it's increasing in terms of the FPS count as well. That's pretty good. So right now time is about, I think, close to 2 minutes of time. Let me try to do some kind of fighting here and let's see what happens now. 49 FPS I'm getting, not bad. 49 50 FPS I'm trying to get at this point. .48 FPS I'm trying to get, and let me I'll try to show you the temperatures, how much it is right now. So let's check the temperatures within 2 minutes of time. 39 degrees, as you can see, 39.6. 13.6 within 2 minutes of time. As I said, I'll be focusing on the temperatures during this process of demonstration. Just I want to see how much the high temperatures the phone can actually reach, and the FPS count as well. I'm trying to check it, how much the FPS count will actually increase during this. It's coming about close to 50 FPS, not bad. I'm just trying to do the basic gaming only test friends. So this is a basic gaming test. Let's see. And these are the settings which I'm trying to use. Let me try to show you exactly. I forgot to show you. With the maximum settings, with the maximum, everything maxed out. As you can see, everything maxed out, all the settings, 60 FPS and everything. Motion blur is turned off and everything is set to the maximum. Highest level of settings I'm trying to use, and I can actually feel the heat coming, and 40.8, 41.2 within 3 minutes of time. As you can see, within 3 minutes of time it increased by 41.2 degrees. On the back side, 39.6 on the back side, as you can see here. So this is the reason I thought of doing this kind of Genshin Impact game just for 15 minutes only. Just for 15 minutes. You will get to understand what is happening in the 15 minutes. So you will get to know even the battery training as well, how much it will be training around 15 minutes of time. I don't know, it's a very short amount of time, but you will get a quick idea what is happening regarding the temperatures as well. That's my main point of making this video. And I can definitely feel the heat coming from the back side. Yes, near the camera area. When you try to hold the phone in this way, you'll definitely able to feel the heat. So right now it's 43 FPS I'm getting, 43 FPS, not bad. 44 fps, 44. And let's check exactly 5 minutes. I can actually feel the heat, friends. Yes, a lot of heat on the back side of the camera when I'm trying to hold in this position. I can actually feel that heat coming. Yes, from the back side. I'll try to show you exactly around 5 minutes of time. So till then, let me try to keep playing the game. And exactly 5 minutes of testing. 41.4. 41.4 is the highest. 41.6 in the first 5 minutes only. 41.6, it did increase, as you can see. 41.6 on the back side. 37, 36, 39.6, as you can see. 39.6, 38. I'm getting the temperatures high up to 39 as well. 39.6 as well. In the temperatures during this, I think in this location exactly 39 degrees, but the front side is really high. 41.6 front side for the first 5 minutes only for the 5 minutes. So let's see what happens for the next few minutes in terms of the testing. So this is going to be a really interesting test to see the temperatures, how it's varying here. So I'm not using any kind of not much loudspeaker as well, but still, let's see. So right now we're getting close to exactly 10 minutes of continuously playing this game, friends, in this Oneplus Nord device. So for 10 minutes of non-stop playing the game, and I can definitely feel the heat on the backside itself. Yes, absolutely, I can feel the heat. And let's see. And FPS was maintaining around close to 45 and 44. No issues, no problem. .44 FPS it's maintaining. So right now it's kind of close to 10 minutes of time. Let's check the 10 minutes how much the temperature increased. 42.4 in 10 minutes. 42.8. As you can see, for first 10 minutes of only the gaming, it increased by 42.8 degrees, friends, for the first 10 minutes only. So this is going to be a, in case if you want me to do long term testing, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to do that, but this is a short video which I thought of just demonstrating for a few users, which might be useful for a few of them. Right now 45 FPS you can get. FPS 36, as you can see, that FPS just now it decreased. 32 and 39, as you can see, exactly 39, 36 I'm getting at this moment. So it went low up to 36 degrees as well. 36 FPS. 34 FPS I'm getting, friends. 34. So after some time the FPS got settled. Let's check the temperatures right now. I can actually feel more heat. Let's see, 42.8 is the highest so far. Did reach 42.8. So 42.8 is the temperature so far did reach in this process of demonstration. Just for only 15 minutes of time, this is the statistics which we can actually get it here. So 40 FPS I'm getting at this moment, not bad. So FPS was remaining around 40 and 45. Right now the FPS decreased. So before it was close to 50 in the beginning, if you remember, and now it came down to 40. Later it came down to 45, and from 45 it came down to 40. Right now the FPS, I'm not sure what is happening in terms of the FPS. So now same kind of settings only I'm trying to use. Same settings, nothing much changed. .41 FPS I'm getting at this moment. 41. 39 FPS, not bad. 39. .40 FPS, 40. After this match I'll try to check what is the temperatures as well. So right now it went down straight up to 40 degrees. So 40 FPS all I'm getting right now, friends, as you can see. It's not increasing. So there's this moment the temperatures went up to 41.8, 41.8, 42.4 as you can see. So overall 42.8 is the highest temperature which I did see during the process of demonstration. So 40 on the back side. On the back side it's showing completely 40 degrees. Now let's check what is the Oneplus is saying the temperatures. As you can see, the Oneplus also, which has got inbuilt temperature readings, which says 42 degrees inbuilt. As you can see, 42 degrees of the temperature now. Right now it did recognize. And during the process of demonstration you can clearly see it. Just for the first 15 minutes only. And the battery dropped to 95% for 15 minutes of playing. 95% dropped by 5% as you can see during this process of demonstration. So that's it, friends, is a quick review on the Genshin Impact battery draining and that heating test on the Oneplus Nord 2. It's a short review, I do know that, but just want to show you what is happening with the FPS meter. So time to time it's kind of changing. The FPS meter, it's not trying to maintain stable. You did see that in the beginning it was 50 and later 45 and now it's become 39. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and in case if you want this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be able to do this kind of videos as soon as possible. See you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. So overall the highest temperature was about 42.8, kind of close to 43 degrees as well. That is what kind of close. So 43 degrees in the Oneplus Nord 2 just for gaming of 15 minutes of time. So it increased, I think from 33 it came up to 43. So 10 degrees got increased within 15 minutes of time. So thank you for watching, and same kind of test I'll try to do in the other smartphones as well as soon as possible, so you'll be able to understand it better much. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next video for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.